Assalamu alaikum junior 2 beta, how are you all? So it's time for your English B class. Next is English grammar. Open it please, page number 5. Today we are going to start our first topic, ABC order. As you already know that there are 26 basic sounds. So in this chapter we have to arrange these sounds in ABC order. Alright, now look at the following words and their pictures: hen, cap, fan, ant, bag. Now beta, we are to write these words in ABC order. हमने इन words को ABC order में लिखना है. We shall write their first letter. First of all, we shall write their first letter like hen H, cap C, fan F, ant A, bag B. Now we shall put these letters in ABC order. अब हमने बेटा इन letters को A, C, F, A, B को alphabetical orders यानी ABC order में convert करना है. तो as you already know कि सबसे पहले जो first letter है, जो first sound है, वो क्या होती है? A. ठीक है, ant. A के बाद अब इन पांचों पिक्चर्स को अगर हम देखें तो A के बाद क्या आता है? B. After B, C, cap. After cap, C, fan, F, and the last sound is hen, H. I hope you will understand this easily. Now come to its topic. Write each set of letters in ABC order. ठीक है, अब आपने ये जो letters हैं इनको ABC order में करना है. Like number 1, J, T, C, Z, A. You have to arrange these letters in ABC order like अब इन पांचों में से अगर हम देखें तो सबसे पहले क्या आता है? A. After A it comes C, C after J, J after T, T after Z. Now come to the next S, B, L, P, F. Number 1, सबसे पहले इसमें जो है अल्फ़ाबेटिक ऑर्डर या ABC ऑर्डर को अगर हम फॉलो करें तो आता है B. After B F, after F L, after L P, and after P S. Next है G, Y, A, Q, H. Number 1, सबसे पहले स्टार्ट होता है A. After A G, after G it comes H, after H it comes Q, and the last word, the last sound, the last letter is Y. N, E, W, R, B. So we are going to arrange number 1 B. After B it comes E, and after E it comes N, N after R, R after W. Number 5 K, X, V, D, F. Number 1 D, D after F, F after K, K after V, V after X. Better do it on your books as well. ठीक है, and try to understand this topic. Follow the rules. I hope you will be able to learn this topic easily. Thank you so much. Taking good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.